Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of laptops. And we've got something exciting to unbox and review. It's the Lenovo Everyday Ideapad. Sleek design and portability. The Ideapad boasts a sleek and minimalist design, perfect for both work and play. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're heading to the office or your favorite coffee shop. High-speed performance. Intel dual-core processor, Celeron N4020. Cores, 2. Threads, 2. Base clock, 1.1 GHz. Turbo boost, up to 2.8 GHz. Cache size, L1, 4096 KB, L2, 12.0 MB, L3, 4 MB. 16 GB high bandwidth RAM. Run multiple applications and browser tabs seamlessly. 1 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive SSD. Lightning fast boot up and data transfer. Crystal clear display. 15.6-inch anti-glare HD display. Enjoy vivid visuals and immersive multimedia experiences. Perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or editing spreadsheets. Connectivity galore. SD card reader easily transfer photos and videos from your camera. HDMI port, connect to external displays or projectors. USB ports, including USB-C for data transfer. Headphone/microphone combo jack for seamless audio experiences. Windows 11 Home, pre-installed and ready to go. Lifetime Microsoft Office license. Yes, you heard it right. Forever access to Microsoft Office, no subscriptions needed. So, folks, that's a quick overview of the Lenovo Everyday Ideapad. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves tech, this laptop has something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.